Wishing you all a very happy and prosperous new year. Thank you so much for all your support past year. एंड आई जस्ट थॉट नए साल की शुरुआत कुछ मीठे से हो और गाजर का हलवा विच इज़ सीजनल गाजर आई थॉट नथिंग बेटर दैन दैट सो ingredients I just mentioned, you please check that. I've taken carrots, a few nuts, ghee. I've taken full fat milk for cooking this. You can take normal one also. And my sugar substitute is erythritol. So let's just begin the process. It's very simple. Everybody knows how to make gajar ka halwa. It's just that I want to show you all that being on a diet, you don't need to avoid certain things in life. You can enjoy and make this as a lifestyle. So we let the milk boil first. And once milk is almost on the boiling point, you can add the carrots. Now from here the process is little lengthy. As you all know it takes time. I like my gajar ka halwa little moist. I don't like it too dry. So I will just leave it to that level where I have enough moisture. So now it's at the boiling point. At this stage I will be adding the sugar. Now the sugar, don't add all at once. Please check the level of the sweetness that you want. So accordingly you can go ahead and add. I'm also going to add a little bit of ghee at this point. And rest of it I'm keeping for the nuts. So while this is happening, I'm just going to cut those, chop those nuts, my almonds and cashew. As I said, check for the sweetener. And then add in case if you require more. So let this cook a little bit more, and meanwhile I'm just going to make the garnish. I'm going to add rest of the ghee. And once that is heated, I don't want the ghee to be too much heated, it just hot enough so that I can add. And almonds I'm going to save for a little bit for later, just for garnishing purpose. It's almost done. So I'm just going to add this whole thing to the halwa. I've stuck to only 2 nuts. You can go ahead and add more if you like it to be pretty nutty. Little bit of cardamom powder for the flavor and the aroma. See, you can see it's moist enough, but it's not too runny. So this is how I want it to be. My gajar ka halwa is ready. So just to garnish it, I'm going to add a little bit of those chopped and saved almonds which were there. I'm just going to garnish it with that. Actually, it doesn't need any garnishing, believe me. But well, I had saved some, so I'm going to use it. That's it. Gajar ka halwa is ready, guys. I hope you really like this video. It's very simple, but I wanted the new year to start off with something sweet. So I hope you all have a great year. Be fit, be healthy, make being fit a lifestyle. Do like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much. Bye bye.